Vanakkam friends, welcome to 2GK Fast Football Game. I am newly 2GK Fast Football Game. I am Karnagaran in Tamil Nadu. Comparing to normal football, this is different kind. A team has two goalkeepers. Each team has two goalkeepers will be playing. Two team players can make goal both sides. This is 2GK Fast Football Field. Touch line, goal line, halfway line, goal area, D circle, goal post. Measuring touch line as 36 meters, goal line 24 meters, goal area, goal line to 6 meters. What is 2GK? A team play with two goalkeepers. A team play with two goalkeepers will be playing. Each team player can make two goal, both goal post side. The newly formed football has no corner, no goal kick, no throw, no center play. There is no specific position for the players. Therefore, PC become all-rounder.
Now we are introduced to our 2GK Fast Football team players. It's have two teams. Each team has 4 members. That is called 4 vs 4. Each team have 2 goalkeepers and 2 all-round players. The goalkeepers do for goalkeeping, midfield and forwarded the ball. The all-round players do for midfield and forward the playing only. The all-round players has no any position in the field. For example, only defense or only midfield. Now we are introduced to our 2GK Fast Football team players. It's have 2 teams. Each team has 4 members. That is called 4 vs 4. Each team have 2 goalkeepers and 2 all-round players. The goalkeepers do for goalkeeping, midfield and forwarded the ball. The all-round players do for midfield and forwarded playing only. The all-round players has no any positions in field. For example, only defense or only midfield. He done for all field positions. In normal football match, each team have 1 goalkeeper in each side. But in our 2GK football match, each team have 2 goalkeepers in both sides. Each team have 2 midfield and forwarded players. Toss winner blue team will start the game. Referee will start the game by dropping the ball in offline midfield. A team playing the ball and touch the center line, it is on ball. A team playing the ball and touch the center line, it is on ball. The same on ball if opponent team touches, it is off ball. A team playing the ball and touch the center line, it is on ball. The same on ball if opponent team touches, it is off ball. You can score the goal only by on ball, but off ball you should not score the goal. The same on ball if opponent team touches, it is off ball. In off ball, you should not score the goal. Will not shoot directly from A side to B side. You have to pass the ball from A side to B side, then you can shoot the goal. Can make goals in both goal posts provided the ball should cross or touches the halfway line. After scoring the goal scoring team will start game in the goal line. The ball gone out in throw kick, goal line or touch line, the opponent team can start same place and make the ball on halfway line. While playing, if the ball touches the opponent, it became off, and again it touches or crosses the center line. A side, if the ball attacking team miss the ball, if the ball return to opponent team, the opponent team should not shoot A side goal post. It is off ball. Goalkeeper step to save the ball, it gone to inside the goal post. It is on ball. This is goal.
If the ball rebounding from the goalkeeper to attacking team again should be goal, it's off ball. It is not goal. If the ball rebounding from the goal post to attacking team again should be goal, is post on ball. It is goals.
Football can stand throw kick in from any sideline of the ground pitch. Opponent must stay 1 meter away. No kicks allowed above head while passing the ball crossing the halfway line. Passes allowed above head when players play in any one side of the ground. Two teams goalkeepers should not touch your hands from off ball, but you can play only foot uses. Two teams goalkeepers should not touch your hands from off ball, but you can play only uses your foot. Penalty kick, the ball is taken 6 meters from the goal line, point determined. All players must be behind the goal area line while penalty kick. Attacking goalkeeper can play as a forward from the outside of the D circle. Attacking goalkeeper in D circle should not disturb the defending goalkeeper at any means.